Hello guys, it's Michael Wolf and this is my first English video ever. But this opportunity was so good that I had to make the English version to show you that you can make some free money as well. This is not clickbait. You do this, you get 50 bucks. And you can do whatever with it. Give it to your grandma. Buy some Pokemon cards. Or whatever you want. Without further ado, let me show you how it's done. Do you know the platform Wealthsimple? Basically, it's a trading platform that allows you to buy and sell stocks. And currently, they have a promotion that if you create an account using my link down below and deposit $1, one single dollar, you get 50 bucks for free. And at first I thought, they probably want us to use the 50 bucks toward trading. But no, I did it with my girlfriend, I did it with my parents, I did it with a couple of my friends, and they didn't want to invest their money. They didn't want to use the application Wealthsimple. And guess what? They deposit $1, they get the 50 bucks for free, and then they withdraw $51. That's it. So if you're in Canada, because of course you have to be in Canada and you have to be 18 years old plus, click my link down below, create an account and deposit $1 and enjoy the free money. And by the way, if you're wondering why I'm telling you this, it's quite simple. I like free money, and every single one of you that register using my link down below, I get some money as well. Around 25 bucks per person. And if you don't believe me, look. That's all people that registered through my link. They all get 50 bucks and I get 25, 25, 25. Thanks! And if you still think that it's clickbait, it doesn't work, just Google Wealthsimple. Go do some research. Is it safe using Wealthsimple? Millions of persons are using the app. It's a safe app. In fact, it's one of the best trading apps in Canada. So once again, go create an account using my link, deposit $1 and just get free money. And by the way, when you get the money, just share this video with your friends and family so they can get some free money as well, because everybody likes free money. And please comment below that it works so other people, when they come across my video, they see that, yeah, it's not a clickbait, yeah, it works. Is it going to work forever? Honestly, I have no clue. But right now it works, so go do it now. So enjoy the 50 bucks, and thanks to every single one of you that is going to do it, because like I said, I like the free money as well. By the way, I hope you understood everything I said. It's my first time in English. Comment below, what do you think? I know I got an accent, but if you understood me, I'm glad. So see you around, guys.